Hello and welcome to Natural Lifestyle as taught by Acharya Mohan Gupta ji and Pooja Bansal ji. I am Alpa Agarwal and in this video we will be catering to three major questions. Number 1. What is natural lifestyle? Number 2. What are its benefits? Number 3. Who can benefit from this? So let's begin. Natural lifestyle is a scientific way of living which was found 150 years ago back in India. The science and its complete knowledge has been kept intact as it has been passed down from master to its disciple. Such information because of this is not available either on internet or any other commercial book that you can find in a bookstore. This scientific knowledge enables you to understand what is a disease, what are the causes of disease, how can you live a life without intaking any medicine, be it allopathy, Ayurvedic, homeopathic or even home remedies. How is your body so intelligent that it has the power to heal within itself? How you can use just your food as your medicine and not anything else to treat your body. By gaining a firm understanding in this science, I can assure you, you will become your own doctor. It is a complete package of mind, body and spiritualism. Natural lifestyle does not treat any disease, but, now here's a big but by adapting natural lifestyle, the diseases are cured all by themselves. Now let's get into the benefits. So what are the benefits of natural lifestyle? Well, the first and the foremost thing is no matter where you are in your health, no matter what kind of diseasement you are feeling in terms of your health, by following this, by adapting natural lifestyle to its fullest, you can live your life without medicines. You can cure yourself only with the help of food that you will intake. There would be no requirement of any medicines, as I said, any kind of medicines in order to heal you. So that is the first benefit that you will get. Number 1, once you have been healed, there will be a vital energy that you will constantly feel within you, a positivity, life full of energy that will always be there with you as you go by your day. Number 3, because you have understood and experienced this science in its totality, I can assure you there will be no fear of any kind of disease that will be hovering or bothering your mind. Number 4, and the most important thing, once you learn to become your own doctor without treating yourself with any medicines, using only food as your medicine, you will be very tempted to pass this information to your children. Your kids, once they learn how to become their own doctor, they would be tempted to pass this information to their children. So this way, the entire generation and the coming generations can all be free from disease and from medicines. Now, who can use NLS to its benefit? Let's begin. Any person who is having, and I stress, any person who's having any kind of diseasement in their body, no matter what age they are at, can benefit completely from NLS as a natural lifestyle. Anyone who is popping any kind of pill and is fed up of medicines and want to treat itself without it can benefit from this. Couples who are planning to start a family and who wants a very healthy pregnancy and moreover a healthier child can adapt to this. Mothers who are facing postpartum pregnancy problems or any problem during pregnancy, post-pregnancy or any problem during their life can get help from this. Children facing any kind of disease, any kind, be it acute like cold, cough, eczema, or be it severe like any kind of food allergies or anything, they can benefit from this lifestyle. Last but not the least, people who are looking to enjoy their life with an optimal level of health at all times are the ones who will benefit the most with this lifestyle. If you think you are one of us and would like to know more about this lifestyle and is interested in leading a life which will not only keep you disease free, worry free, medicine free, but also will bring a change in you in terms of spirituality and positivity, please come and join us. We assure you, once you have a good understanding of this and once you have experienced it, you will become your own doctor. Thank you.